Yo, what up? Welcome to the Go Teachers Math. Today, we're going to learn how to simplify square roots with variables. And look, there's a lot of crazy explanations out there, man. A lot of real confusing videos. I promise you, I got the easiest, fastest way to do it. So don't worry about them nerds. Let's hit the music. Alright, let's take a look. We got square root of 27, x to the 9, y to the 5th. Yo, I ain't worried a little bit because I got the cheat code. Alright, so first thing we'll do is take care of the number. Right, first thing you always want to do is take care of the number. Get that done and over with. Right, it's boring anyway. Alright, so you look at the factors. Boom, boom, boom. Look at the factors. Then you're looking for something with a perfect square. Right, what number there can take two numbers times by itself and you're going to get that. Right, and I know right away 9. It's got to be 9 because 3 times 3 is 9. Every fool knows it. Alright, so we're going to use 9. Right, so we're going to break it down. We got 9 times 3, and then we got x to the 9, y to the 5th. And I didn't put my little thing long enough. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to pull out that 9. You know that 9 is dead to me. It's leaving the house.
Get out of my house.
House, baby. Go on. Alright? So we're going to do here. That's our 3, right? The square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so what's left in here? We got our 3. We have an x to the 9. And we got a y to the 5th. Alright. Now, you're going to divide by 2. Take the letters, the numbers on top of the letters, and divide by 2, and the remainder stays in the house. Alright, so let's do it. We got 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2, you got 4, right? 2 times 4 is 8, and you got a remainder of 1. Alright? So, boom. Taking it out, baby. I'm taking it out. We got 4, and there's going to be 1 x left in the house. 1 x is left in there, right? 4 right there. Nothing, 1 in there. Alright? Now let's look at the y. 5. 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. Alright? 2 with a remainder of 1, right? 2 times 2 is 4. You got a remainder of 1. Alright, let's do it. Pull it out, baby. 2 and the remainder of 1. So there's 1 in there. Alright? That's your final answer. Dude, that's it. You're done. I'm telling you. You take the number that's above the letter and you divide by 2. Okay, the remainder stays in the house. You pull the rest out. Okay, you pull out your answer out. Answer comes out. Remainder stays in, and you're done. All right. A lot of these you're not even gonna need a calculator. You're gonna start doing it in your head. All right. You're welcome. All right. So let's take a look at the problem. We got square root of 48, x to the 7, y to the 4. Yo, it looks nuts. That looks crazy, right? But listen, I ain't worried about it. I know a trick. I know a trick. I'm gonna share with you, right? Because you know the goat loves you. You know what I'm saying? All right. So the first thing we'll do is look at the factors for 48. Right? You're going to pull up the factors. Just the numbers that you multiply together to get the 48. Right? And you look for a perfect square. Right? So I'm looking at my list. And boom, I know 16 is a perfect square. Right? It's perfect. Right? Because 4 times 4 is 16. I can use that. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. Alright? So let's break it down. We're going to use 16 times 3. And then we're going to keep our letters. X is 7, y to the 4. Alright? Then, all we got to do is pull out that 16, right? We know square root of 16 is 4. So we're pulling it out. Boom. Now I'm going to leave a little space there. Okay? And we got x, we got 3. X to the 7, y to the 4. Alright. Now let me tell you the secret now. You're going to just divide by 2. I'm telling you right now, just divide by 2, and you're going to use the remainder, right? So look at the x, all right? So we got x to the 7. So we're going to do 7 divided by 2, right? 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times with 1 remainder, right? So boom, we got x to the 3rd. And there's 1 remainder, so 1x stays in there, all right? Here's our 6, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6, and our other one is 7. That's how 7 goes from. All right, now let's look at the 4. All right, we got y to the 4. 4 divided by 2 is what? It's 2. All right, so we're just going to pull the whole dang thing out, right? There's no more y's inside. You're going, and you're going right here, squared. Yo, you're done. That's it. Drop the mic. You're finished. All right? All right, so let's take a look at our first one.
If you ain't first, you're last. You know?
We got the square root of 75, x to the 5th, y to the 3rd, y cubed, whatever you want to call it. I don't even care, right? We're going to get through this real quick. All right, so the first thing I do is deal with the number, right? So what we got to do is look at the factors, right? So the factors are just the numbers that you multiply together to get the number. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so when you're looking at this, what you want to do is you want to find one with the perfect square, right? So I know right away, dude, 25 will work, man, because I know 5 times 5 is 25, all right? So we're going to use that sucker. All right, so when we do that, right, we're going to change this problem, right? So let's just look at the number right now. So we're going to change the 75, and we're going to turn it into 25 times 3. Boom, what do you know? I can pull this out. Boom, I'm going to be done with it, right? So here we go. It's going to be 5. Boom, 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 right? Because 5 times 5 is 25. I can pull that sucker out and put it right there, right? And the only thing left is the 3. So that's my number. My number's taken care of, right? That's done. All right, so let's take a look at the letters now. Now we got to deal with the letters. All right, so just how we expanded out to 75, right? And we did 3 times 25. We're going to expand out the letters now, right? But we're only going to do it by 2s, right? We're going to make 2s and see what we have left over. All right, so let's take a look. If we rewrite this, and we're just going to do the letters right now, right? Because I'm done with the numbers. They're dead to me, you know? All right, so we're going to go x squared, x, right? Because remember, x to the 5th is really just x times x times x times x times x, right? So boom, boom, boom. Look, I got 5 x's right there, all right? 2, 2, and 1, all right? So we're going to do the same thing with y, right? This time we only got 3. But remember, we're going to do it by the squares, right? So we're going to do y squared and just a regular y. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So, dude, all we got to do is pull out all the x squares. Yo, they're dead to me because they're going to cancel out. And we just put them on the outside. That's all you got to do, right? So let's take a look. We got bang, bang, and that's 2, right? So we got x squared. And what can I pull out for the y's? Boom, just the 1. And we got 1 y here, right? So we pulled out 2 x's. So we had the x squared, and we pulled out 1 y. All right? Now, what's left inside? We got an x and a y. Dude, how easy was that? Now what you going to combine them? What you going to combine them, right? So my final answer is 5 x squared y. And on the inside, we're going to have 3 xy. Boom! All right, I told you that was easy.